everyone, I'll be showing you an exercise to strengthen the hamstring muscles today. So the hamstring muscles are a group of muscles that are at the back of the thigh. So they go from here and down onto the leg, down on the outside or the inside. So there are 3 muscles involved. So this exercise will be good for strengthening the hamstring muscles. You'll need a gym ball or a Swiss ball. And then what you want to do is have a lie down and we're going to do a bridge on the ball. So have both feet on the ball and we're going to lift our pelvis up and we're going to do a curl there, like this. To make this a little bit harder, you can go into a single leg. So if you do it with just one leg, the other leg in the air, make sure the pelvis still stays level even when you're in a bridge position. Up like that, and do a curl there. Thanks for watching.